What if it wasn't the Mac?
Okay, what if it was some socks or something?
Alright. Whoa, it took forever.
Wow, wow.
Pro right
Wow,
there.
it's real.
It is.
Oh.
Wow, that's
Okay.
so amazing.
This is it. This is the box that came in. As you can see, there's nothing else in the
Oh,
box.
the box.
Zoom in, yeah, that's okay.
What,
It's
how
a-
many inches is the screen, Xavier?
As a matter of fact, it's 13.
13 inches.
13 inches of steel, baby. Anyway, trying to open this. Let's do this right here. As you're gonna see, we can open that. Take off the little plastic there. MacBook Pro on both sides. It's got Apple logos right
So
here.
exciting. It's so exciting.
Alright, so we can go ahead and open the box. Apple's always nice with their packaging.
I love Apple packaging.
Okay, so that's the box top. And here's the MacBook Pro.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm just more excited than you are.
So this is the MacBook.
Wow.
Very
Slim and sleek.
It's very hefty. It's pretty heavy for a small laptop. That's good. Good build quality. So we have our MacBook Pro here. We do that right there. Now we have to get the rest of the details inside the box. So
Yeah,
we
what's
have
in it?
the owner's manual. Never gonna use that. There's a block, and then here's the charger for
Ooh, I like blocks.
MacBook. Doesn't look like there's
Does it
anything
come
else.
with a mouse?
No, it's a mouse pad on it.
I know it has a mouse pad. I'm just asking. Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we have some Apple stickers.
Yay.
Very important. And I think that's it. Then you have your little get started thing. Whatever.
You need to read that owner's manual.
I never. So, I'm gonna open this thing. Huh!
Ooh.
Paper.
Paper.
Ooh.
Right
It's
there.
gray paper.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
It knows what to do. It already knows what to
It
do.
knows.
It knows.
It just knows, Caleb. It just knows.
You don't know how, it just knows.
It just knows. So it's turning on. I'm gonna pick Japanese. That's my first
Please
language.
do not pick Japanese.
Ah, you're modern language.
To use English as the main language,
It
press
speaks.
the return key.
It speaks English, not Japanese. What's wrong with that?
Nothing's wrong with that.
Nothing. Okay. And I am in the United States.
Well, the video's getting long. I'm going to turn it off now. Do you want to say
Okay.
anything to...
Anything, Auntie Debbie, thank you so much for getting this laptop for me through your company. Really appreciate it as I'm going to law school. This is going to be a
Mac
vital...
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
This
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch
He's
bar.
just trying to help
To learn
you,
how to
Ziggy.
use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is going to be an essential tool for any type of research I'm doing, any type of educational things I'm doing. It's going to be perfect. And, you know, the occasional YouTube, you know, the occasional Facebook search, you know, all those things. But I do really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And this is Yvonne. I'm super appreciative as well. Okay, bye.